Hello and welcome back to another episode on How Logical. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change Netflix subscription. I will walk you through step by step in the process, so make sure you'd watch this video until the very end to not make mistake in the process. Now let's hop into the video. Firstly, open any web browser on your PC and there search for netflix.com. After that, get logged into your account. Once you get logged into your account, tap on the small arrow at the top right and from the menu, tap on account option. Once you tap on it, your account details will be appear on your screen. Now from there, tap on change plan option and there you will be able to see your current plan and other plans in the page. Now pick the plan that you want to change into and scroll a bit down and then tap on continue button. Now once you tap on continue button, this type of box will appear on your screen where it shows your current plan, new plan and also says that your plan starts now. You will be charged this amount from starting month. Now if you're sure about the change in your subscription, tap on confirm change button. Now once you tap on confirm change button, your subscription plan will be changed. And that's it for this video. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, then don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.